The past conditional. Oh, is that what it's about? Yeah. The past subjunctional. Arthur Clarke of 22 left the apartment in shambles and walked to the park. There were traffic cops and bus stop whores and all the people one wishes to avoid on a day off. Suicide on the evening news and the fall of a star on the rise. All rise, sing a song of suspense, and who knew it was you all along, in disguise, in disguise. How I wish it could be daylight all summer. How I wish it could be summer all day. Would my house were the ocean, that I might bob in the blue as the waves bear me upward. Always, always. And would my love were an island, that I might lie there in silence, all a wishing and a hoping and a wasting away. How I wish it could be daylight all summer. How I wish it could be summer all day. How I wish it could be daylight all summer. How I wish it could be summer all day. How I wish that I were made of the wind and the water. Unbeholden to time and space. Arthur Clarke of 22 climbed the steps to his apartment and walked through the door. Would my house were the ocean, that I might drift without direction, and would my love were an island, that I might wash up on shore. Thank you.